2023 Nevada County Fair for about, it's a Sunday. We waited till the very end.
You want to go in here?
You want to start? Yeah. And we start here every year. So here we go. We're going to do a lot of people shots, I think, today. Here's the first big building. We've done it so many times. Very little filming performed by me anyway. We walked around, checked it out. You know, this fairground's been around since 1884. The land was given for that purpose. It was an agricultural grant. I think the first fair was in 1934. That is Norman Rockwell. People bring in their art. They're judged on everything. Poems, pictures, montages. I love this one right here. Landscape. They have a little flower and garden section. It seems to me that it's getting smaller each year, less participants, but it's still fun. This was on a Sunday, and the last day of the fair, generally the slowest day.
This year they ran out of
visitors.
So the first place.
Last year we went on a Saturday, and there's just wall-to-wall people, so it was just kind of nice. And apparently they ran out of blue ribbons. Had to print up cards with a little blue ribbon ink spots on them. So the theme of the event was right there. So you'll see a lot of cowboy boots, a lot of terrariums. It was fun. It's typical California fair. People sitting, relaxing. And this new thing with this wristband where you didn't give out money, but you put your arm under a machine and it put credits on your wristband. It was odd. A lot of places said, "We accept cash." We accept cash. Same with the animals. A lot of animals. I didn't film them all. We filmed so many animals. This poor guy. Sheep. Just moseying around. It was pretty warm. It wasn't really real hot, but it was pretty hot. Probably in the upper 90s. Yeah. First place. How do you judge a goat? Just moseying around. What do you do at a county fair? Look at the pigs. Look at the rabbits. Just walk around, fur and feathers. And I noticed I didn't get any chicken shots. Usually I get chicken shots. Now this one here, you see up in the right corner, is the auction for these animals. We were coming through, the poor girl was just crying her eyes out during this auction. I guess I think it was a sheep was auctioned off. The looks, right? They had a series of stages, some pine tree stage, and bands, people having fun. Favorite coffee house. Nothing better than hot coffee on a hot day. And you're up in the Sierras, look at the trees, magnificent. Huge. Beautiful piece of property. And was voted, or it is assumed to be, the most beautiful fairgrounds on the West Coast, whatever that means. About 90 acres of property. I love these vegetable shots. I mean, when I was a kid, I had zucchinis twice that big. We used to make pumpkins out of it. This was a giant cookie. First place. And a piece of cake made like a piece of cake. First place. Fair is pretty fun. Now this part here, people look, you don't see a lot of bags being carried around, but a lot of people go on these rides. They have a blast. Same stuff as when we were kids, right? Same fare, same rides. I won't go on. And of course the quilts. Man, this building, if you ever go there, this building is the best building to go to. It's air conditioned. It has clean, unused bathrooms. It's quiet, and the quilts are just magnificent. But grounds, you can see it there. Beautiful. Really, really pretty grounds. And then, of course, on display, our sheriffs. They're good people. They really are. We probably have the best police force in California up here. Back to the carny. Typical. I want to say Norman Rockwell all the time. It's like something out of it. Same with the Victorian Christmas up here.
This is where all the real money is spent, right here. $10 a game. Used to be 50 cents. Not me. Round and round and round he goes. Where she stops, everybody knows. Now this is my speed right here. This is my speed right here. Ha ha ha.
Kids are having fun. Lots to eat. This is a baby Ferris wheel. I may go on that one. Yeah, I may be brave enough to jump on that puppy. And this one,
this was the #1 ride at the Santa Cruz Boardwalk. Treat Street is where all the food is sold, right under here. And the jazz music plays in the background at the Nevada County Fair 2023. Live with the Lost RVs. Here we go. This is homemade corn dogs. Look at this line. Always the longest in the fair. A corn dog. Benefiting Job's daughters. Fries, shrimp, baked potatoes, pulled pork, pizza, bratwurst, pizza and salad. Something down there. Figured it out. That's what we're gonna have.
pretty good too. It really was. We enjoyed them. Sit back. They were just kind of practicing. I hope I don't get a strike, copyright for some weird music, but I don't think so. Those are real brands over the years. Oh, this has to be the best question ever asked. Have you ever heard of the Mandela effect? Here we go.
All right, Smokey the Bear or Smokey Bear?
Smokey Bear.
Smokey Bear.
Smokey Bear.
Smokey Bear?
Yes.
See? It's Smokey Bear. People say Smokey the Bear. All the vendors are out, getting on in the day.
Most important of them all, the beer tent.
Now, every year is Budweiser sponsors these beer places. This year they didn't sponsor them. I don't know why. Porta potties, love them. through it. Just different vendors. Just sitting in the sun just to talk to people. They aren't selling anything. They're just supporting the fair, looking for support. A lot of veteran associations. And this used to be the Budweiser stage. This year, I'm not sure who sponsored it, but it's not Budweiser. And again, this is on a Sunday afternoon. This wasn't, if we were there on a Saturday, it would rock. Again, the trees, magnificent. And even with Treat Street, you still had all these vendors with their trailers selling odd stuff, pretzels. Sitting in the heat. These are great, of course. Now, you got a lot of dancing things going on. This is you'll see why I put these two side by side. This is the county fair. This is old time America. This is Norman Rockwell. Do-si-do. Cowboy boots. Country Live. And then all of a sudden, on the other side of the fair, the Barbie Invasion. Yeah. Neon. A lot of controversy about Barbie, but people love it. There's your trailer. These are the different Barbie girls. I'm not sure of the name of the show it was actually, but everybody was kind of Barbied out right there. That's about the only horse show we saw. Trick Riders. Yeah, the happy. I want to be on the horse. I don't want to wash him. This is Treat Street, just kind of cruising on through. Excuse me. Hello. Coming through. How are you? What's going on here? Oh no. Watch out. Here I come. Oh my God. Come on, let's do it. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, look at those two. Wow. Look at this guy on the left coming through. He was all over the fair doing this. He was a happy camper. And then, of course, we come back to swing. Still cruising around. Now it's time for a beer. Now it's time for an IPA. They did have IPAs here. No Budweiser. There wasn't a Bud to be seen. But they had IPAs. Actually, it was a better variety. This used to be called Budweiser stand. That's probably around 8:30. Still light out. Getting ready to head out. It's going to be the same band tonight or that night as it was.
That's a regular Norman Rockwell.
Ain't that the truth? It really is. So if you just want to get away and have an old-fashioned adventure, next year come on up to the fair. And if you want to have the same kind of adventure at Christmas, come up to Victorian Christmas in Nevada City. I mean, it's like going back to the 1800s. No lie. Great. Absolutely great. Kids having fun. 2023, the last night. The last 3 hours of the last night. Here we are. Closing it down again. inevitable. A lot of these kids have to go back to school right after this is over, like Monday morning. Yeah. Say goodbye. These guys are coming in for a truck show.
Still coming in. About 3 hours left of the fair. They are piling in. Looking for the band tonight.
As
Here we go.
It's a fun event.
Out the gates. Look at the people coming in, though.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
You know, it's funny, between 1942 and 1946,
Look at them all.
during the war years, they didn't have the county fair. Way up here. There it is, yeah. Yeah, one truck. So that's it. That's the county fair. Thanks for watching. Let's see how this voiceover does. In either case, we had fun. Yet another fair under our belts. On to the next project. See you later.
There you go. The setting sun over the western horizon. Coming out of the Sierras.